Did you know brushing your teeth correctly for a correct period of time can reduce the risk of tooth decay by 40% and gum problems by 35%? So let's find out how to brush your teeth correctly. The main purpose of brushing your teeth is to remove plaque and the remaining food matter on the teeth and surrounding areas. It is recommended to brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes twice a day. So the best way would be to divide the mouth into 4 segments of 30 seconds each. These segments would be upper right, upper left, lower right and lower left. So take a small amount of toothpaste on the toothbrush and start from the outer surface of the upper right segment. Hold the brush at the gum level such that the bristles are at a 45-degree angle to the tooth, with the bristles pointing towards the gum and side of the bristles resting on the tooth surface. This helps cover maximum area of the tooth. Now move the brush in front and back motion to create short vibrations so that 3 to 4 teeth are covered in a stroke. The stroke should be gentle and the tips of the bristle should not be dislodged from its position. Avoid scrubbing the teeth with pressure and allow for the bristles to flex. This motion helps in cleaning the areas between the gums and the teeth as well as areas between the teeth, which are the most difficult areas to reach. In the same way, brushing should be continued on the inner side of the teeth and for the remaining teeth in the segment. The same technique should be used for the other 3 segments so that brushing is complete. Sometimes it is difficult to brush the front teeth in the same manner. In such case, the brush can be held vertically to make contact with the front teeth and brush is moved in up and down motion. Initially, it is better to perform the technique in front of the mirror till it becomes a comfortable habit. So the takeaway points are: brush with a soft bristle toothbrush and a fluoridated toothpaste, brush twice daily and brush for at least 2 minutes. In this way, regular and correct brushing can help prevent tooth decay and gum diseases. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you like the information. Keep watching Dental Art Smile Studio for more such informative topics.